Okay guys, you guys are getting a little behind the scenes action, of my day today. Because my day consists of a little bit of filming, a little bit of fun. This is why I love doing this stuff. I am in the temporary Ghost 3, or what some people on comment section has called Mini Ghost. And I got a kick out of that, so I kind of like it. So I'm in that geo tracker that Anthony has so kindly lent me until I get another rig or get my next move, blah, 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 whatever. Mark and Vanessa yesterday, and I think Vanessa called it Lil Boo. Oh, that was good. Right now I'm on my way to Overland Van Project to do a little tour action. I'm dropping over the St. John's Bridge right now. It's super pretty here. Then I'm going back to Nomadic Customs. We're doing a filming with Light Harvest Solar, myself, and Nomadic Customs. We're gonna talk about some batteries. So this video is probably gonna come after that video, but you'll be able to see kind of a behind the scenes action. It's kind of cool. By the way, definitely not easy to drive stick, hold the camera, and drive. This thing's amazing. By the way guys, Dustin is holding the camera now. Do you know the height?
It is at the height up there.
Just in general, what's...
Yeah, the total height is 11.5. So it's actually, we sent a Sprinter out the door at 11.
Yeah.
Not that much higher than
It's not much higher than a Sprinter. Guys, I am sitting in... He's the owner of Overland Van Project. We're about to do a tour of... is that your... You sold this too. Is that your spec van?
That's our spec van. We're keeping that.
Oh, you're keeping it?
Keeping it for good. Maybe.
So we're doing a tour of that van in a minute. But he just got this bad boy. And what is this thing? Because I don't even know. Like, I thought it was a Unimog, but it's not.
This is a Stewart & Stevenson military rig, and it's a 2006. It has 100 miles on it. Yep.
100, not 100,000. 100.
All right, ready for this?
Yeah, we're gonna start this.
Push to start.
Push to start. Now he said to me before we started rolling, this is a Caterpillar engine.
Yep.
If anybody knows engines, Caterpillar engines can like get shot at pretty much.
Yeah, they go a million miles.
Easy.
Allison transmission, also a million-mile transmission. This is the old turret here. This is the turret deck. This guy flips up, and then you can stand there and shoot people.
Shoot people? This is literally a military truck. You got it off of your contact.
Yep.
By the way, guys, this one's already sold. It's not even built.
This one's already sold, yeah.
And
we took it for a test drive in some super muddy water, which is why there's mud everywhere right now.
You're gonna do this one. It's not built out, and then you're planning on doing a lot more than this.
Yes.
So, if you want one of these bad boys, contact Dustin over at Overland Van Project, because he can get you one, apparently now.
Yep. We were doing like 40 miles an hour over 12-inch deep potholes, and we cruised up a 30-degree incline, all dirt, not a problem.
This thing is a lot of fun. It seems great. Like.
Check this out.
All right, we're doing something. I don't know.
We're doing something.
I don't know. He didn't even tell me.
It's just a regular automatic push-button transmission. That's it. That's it.
We're going. Guys, I was not planning on doing this. This thing is awesome. This has some get up, man.
Oh, yeah. 6.5 liter diesel.
All right, so is this street legal? Are we allowed to be driving on the street right now?
Yes, and it is going to be registered as an RV.
You don't need a special license.
No.
Dude, this actually feels a lot smoother than I thought.
Yeah, we're gonna get some new seats in it, so these torture devices are gone. Shielded seats probably.
Dude, imagine being the gunny that would sit up here and start, like, have to, like, open fire on me.
I honestly cannot imagine.
No, I cannot imagine. By the way, I'm almost sold on this. What do you guys think? Should this be Ghost 3 or Ghost 4?
See if these people move out of the way.
Yeah, these people should be moving out of the way. What are you guys doing? Do you not see the massive truck behind you? They finally just moved. What is the MPG on this thing?
Miles per gallon once you put the high-speed gears in is 10. We're still in double digits, baby.
What's the size tank, do you know?
It's a 46-gallon tank, so that gives you just over a 400-mile range.
It is super muddy in here because when you guys went off-roading, you decided to find some puddles.
Oh man, you wouldn't believe how big this puddle was. It literally had a boat in it.
All right, guys, let's thank Dustin for taking us for a ride. And then if anybody wants one of these bad Larrys, contact Dustin at Overland Van Project. And I'll put all of his information in the below description, that whole thing. I'm obsessed. I want one. I want one.
Here's your air. So highway, cross country,
Oh, yeah.
emergency, and then run flat is if you're getting shot at and they're shooting your tires, it just runs the compressor so you can keep on going.
When you say air, I know what you meant, but you meant air as in like you can decompress the tires.
Yep.
And then you can actually inflate them.
Yep. When we went mudding, we were in cross country mode.
Okay.
And then we got back to the highway, we just pushed highway and aired them back up.
Inflates the tires right back up.
Yep.
That's next level RVing right there. All right, guys, we are gonna go tour Dustin's spec van. You guys will see that in a separate video, but oh man, I'm obsessed. How big is the thing in the back?
Camper area is 12 foot by 8 foot. So it's 150% bigger than a 144 Sprinter.
Okay.
But this whole rig is only 2 feet longer
Then just a 144
than a
Sprinter.
144 Sprinter.
And it's like 2 feet higher than a 144
And it's 2 feet
Sprinter.
higher, yep.
Yeah, and you're putting on the. We're gonna do a tour of this.
Yeah.
Eventually when it's done. Thinking about 1,000 watts of solar.
Yep, 1,000 watts of solar, 600 amp hours, 100 gallons of water.
All right, guys, let's finish this video later. Yeah. All right, guys, I am now back at my office, which is at Nomadic Customs. Do a video now with Mark as well as John from Light Harvest Solar. We're gonna be talking about batteries. So I'm gonna go set up this camera and I'm gonna grab my coffee. And then, mini ghost. And then later, I actually have to go out down to my mailbox, and that will probably be the end of my day. Send off the Overland Van Project footage over to my editor because I want some free time. So I'm gonna have my editor do this one. So getting back to the shop. Let's hope the door is open. Can't do too many things with my hands at once. This is why I need to hire somebody to be my videographer. All right, I'm kind of stupid because I realized that I said that I was going to show you guys all the behind the scenes stuff of the video I just did with these guys. I had the tripod set up, I had my camera set up on the tripod, I had a Rely-On battery, and I had John over here that came over from Light Harvest Solar, that he brought all these goodies. Buddy, you brought me a whole bunch of stuff.
Were you gonna do a video with that?
Well, this is just the behind the scenes of what my day has been like. You brought me a Lion battery as well. Brought something else for us too. Do you want to fish it back out for me?
Oh yeah, okay. Show you what this thing can do.
Yeah, this is, I guess, the Light Harvest Solar's.
We haven't come up with an official name for it yet, but we're definitely brainstorming.
So you just turned it on,
Yep.
and this is, we've talked about this in the video already, but this is a separate video. This is a 150 give or take amp hours of
Roughly.
batteries, and it is 1,000 watts of inverter.
Yep. Yeah, so 1,000 watts of 120 volt AC. Just a couple like quick run over the features there. You have a nice display with battery gauge. DC turns on and off.
Oh wow.
That's supplying the USBs and the cigarette lighter style plug.
Yep.
Back off. AC is also with a button there.
And you're about to do something cool because the AC is what runs the 120 volt power, and you have a handsaw, Craig Jig.
Yep.
Hey, Craig Jig, can you guys sponsor me? You have a Craig Jig saw in your hand. Do you know what the amperage draw on that saw particularly is?
Well, let's see. It's about 1,000 watts.
Is it about 1,000 watts?
Yeah, it's about 1,000.
Wow.
So this is right on the line of what this thing can do. We didn't think it would be able to. Zero problems. We were even cutting wood with it yesterday.
Nice.
Oh, this thing is crazy nice for what it is.
I'm gonna let John get back to work. It's end
Yeah,
of day.
I'm on the clock. I
You're on the
gotta go do some estimates.
Light Harvest Solar, check them out. We just did a really, really long but informative video. So if you guys haven't watched the informative battery video, you talked a lot about different stuff.
I've got a lot to say.
Yeah, and we went over just a ton of different options and ideas, and I got a builder's perspective with Mark. I got a installer's perspective, or a solar energy and then just me as a kind of a spectator. So guys, really check out that video. It is long, and I apologize. It's probably over 30 minutes. Well, needless to say, I had some packages. Did not realize I had this many packages at my my mailbox. I'm kind of in a crummy mood right now. Not that it's like a big deal, and I'm making a bigger deal than what this really is. It's kind of just me ranting here at the end of the vlog. But I was just in the, and I should have done video of this, and it's not, again, it's not a big deal. It's just kind of like irritating in the moment. I have a mailbox for addresses purposes, and also a transition to the next step, I guess you could say. And I have this address, and it's at a mailbox. It's in the Portland area. And when you are leasing a space, or when you're releasing a mailbox, I guess, and you pay for it monthly, right? Or every 3 months, or every 6 months, whatever it is. If there is a line, okay, and I go to my mailbox and I get the slips that I have packages, and I think there was a line of like 4 or 5 people, and they were all mailing stuff out, but I pay monthly for this place. and the person behind the desk told me that I had to wait in line. Now, this isn't the normal person that works there. Me and that person, we get along great, and he would never have made me wait in line, but I had to wait 25 minutes in line while people mailed their packages. I shouldn't have to. I pay monthly for this service. That's what I do. That's actually a perk of why we pay monthly. Yes, we pay for the service itself as a mailbox, and I get it. Those people are also paying customers. I don't know. Does that seem weird to anybody else? Like, obviously it wasn't the end of the world. Like, I do have a million things going on today, and I have to go back to the office, and I have to do a whole bunch of other stuff. But like, I don't know. Let me know if you guys would be irritated with that situation too. Like, I didn't say anything to this person, the person working. I wasn't mad. I just kind of like, I didn't like stomp my feet. It didn't make or break my day. It was just, I don't know, it was like irritating in the moment. I kind of just wanted to let you guys know. On Monday, I'm flying to San Diego to move my brother to a different state, and he needed my help to drive one of the vehicles. So you guys will see that vlog as well. We've got new merch coming out. I am not going through the supplier that I was using before. If you go to my website, you will actually see some of the other things that I have, but I'm getting all new branding, all new merch. I'm getting some new t-shirts made up. I'm working with a graphic designer. I'm gonna be plugging her like crazy because it's Vanessa. If you guys have seen her on my channel a few times, she is awesome. She's gonna do some logo designs for me. She's gonna do some other graphic designs, I believe. I've got some cool stuff coming out. I'm gonna be the person that's gonna be shipping. It's not going to be done through a drop shipper anymore, and there's just going to be slight changes made for a bunch of different reasons, and I'm excited for that. So that is coming up probably before September is my goal on that. I know I also mentioned in one of my videos that I'm not going to be talking about future plans, but that's already in the works and I'm excited for it. So if you would like to go to jarrodtocci.com/shop, and there's going to be some new merch coming up there shortly. Keep your eyes peeled for it. I will be sure to mention the new brand launch when it does happen.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Mary. Back on my channel.
Just commandeer my GoPro?
Yeah.
No.
Welcome back to my channel, guys.
Oh my
it's
God.
Wired Wednesday. Or wait, what do you call it?
Wicked Wednesday Chats.
It's Wicked Wednesday Chats.
Goodbye. I just realized that I kind of teased all of you with the boxes that were in the van. So I am going to now kind of open up the boxes so you guys can all see that, because that was not nice of me. So hold on. I honestly have no idea what the heck I got. I opened one already. And it's Tyvek tape. I know what this is. This is no big deal. This is just stuff I get from my brother. It's called Life Vantage. It's actually saved my life. Let's see what's in here. This is a portable dog bath. You guys may be like, what the heck did you get a portable dog bath for? I'm assuming that one of these other boxes will explain a little bit more into that. So I'm gonna put that aside and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, sweet. You guys don't know about this yet, but I actually went out and purchased a drone. I got a Maverick Air. So this is the hard shell, the hard case for it. It's not in here yet, but it's coming. I ordered it and it'll be in my possession at the end of next week. So I'm excited about the drone. I'm actually really stoked about that. Oh boy. I'm gonna save this one for last because that's a good one. That's a good one. This one, I think I know what it is. Yeah. I am now working with Kombucha Town. So I got a nice koozie. They got me a sweatshirt. There's gonna be a link in the description below, but everybody gets 15% off on Kombucha Town cases delivered directly to your house. So they sent me a little care package full of apparently t-shirts. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. Grapefruit. Is this a seltzer? Grapefruit Clarity. So they send me all that stuff. That's awesome. Thank you, Kombucha Town. So yeah, they're actually giving you guys all 15% discount. Tocci 15 if you go to kombuchatown.com. That's awesome. Thank you, Kombucha Town. The Mac Daddy of Mac Daddies. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on this. Oh yeah, the geyser water system. If you don't know what geyser is, look it up. It is an off-grid hot portable shower. Boom. Do a whole video on this thing. It's gonna be really cool. I've been waiting about a week for this. I think I'm gonna try to get you guys a discount for this. If not, you can go to the Geyser website. I'll put that link below in this video, but I will do a complete video on this. about how it's gonna work. I need to test it out for a little bit. Actually, in this video you guys saw earlier, that portable power station, you can plug this into that portable power station, and voila, you have a camping shower situation. That was all the stuff in the boxes. The reason I said the portable dog bath will come into effect later is because the portable dog bath is actually going to be used with the geyser water system. So if you're outside camping, I have a shower curtain that you can hang off of anything, right? And then if you do not want to be just naked in the wilderness, you have the curtain that will cover your whole body. And then to catch the water, you don't have to really stand in dirt or grass or whatever. You have now a portable little dog bath that you can carry with you, and boom, you have a now portable shower. Now I'm gonna call it a day. It is the end of the work day. We got some people working on Vanessa's van over there, and then we got, I don't know if you can see them off in the distance, but they're working. All right, guys, I'm seeing you. Oh, the Tyvek tape. You guys are probably wondering what this Tyvek tape was. I'm going back into some epoxy woodworking. Can't wait to get into that. And that's what the Tyvek tape is for. What you use it for is it helps with epoxy. It's a Tyvek like sheathing tape, is what house sheathing, right? All right, we'll get into that later in a different video as well. See you guys later.